Hi guys, this is Bird and Squirrel on the Edge, and this is the third book, and this is part 2. We read some yesterday. So, remember they're on their way home and they picked up the bear. So they said, later, this looks like a good place to spend the night. You can start a fire while I build a shelter. What? What's a fire? Remember he got hit on his head with the pine cone that Squirrel threw. And so he's kind of a little acting like Squirrel. Well, it keeps you warm. Never mind. You can build the shelter while I start the fire. What's a shelter? On second thought, why don't you just sit over here and rest your head? You've had a long day. He's trying to rub the sticks together. Rub, rub, rub. Snap, bonk. Rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. Yay! Oh no. So he finally got it going, and what happened? Do you see the rain? He built a shelter. Collapse. Sigh, I liked your shelter. The next morning. Come on, pick up the pace. The faster we move, the sooner I'll be home. Somebody woke up on the wrong side of the bear this morning. Are you sure I'm a bird? Yes, I'm positive, but you said that birds fly and I don't fly, so I must not be a bird. Maybe I'm a squirrel like you. No, you're definitely not a squirrel. Maybe I'm one of those. No, that's a deer. Or one of them. No, those are buffalo. You are a bird. But how do you know? Because you have wings, you're made for flying. You are a bird, but I can't fly. You have just forgotten how. I'll prove it to you. All you have to do is run, jump, and spread your wings. I don't think this is a good idea. Your natural instincts will take care of the rest. My instincts are telling me I'm going to break every bone in my body. Trust me, you won't. How do I know you won't hit me with another pine cone? I told you that was an accident. I'm scared. I can't. Yes, you can. There's nothing to be afraid of, or I'll catch you if you fall. I promise. Yes. Now flap your wings. You were right. I didn't break anything. Smash. Just my back. I don't like the look of this or the smell. It looks like we're going to have to find another way over the mountain. What is that stuff? That, my friend, is mud. The bully of the dirt world. Dust's sticky, evil cousin. If we go through there, we'll never be clean again. A squirrel. Well, we'll be cleaning crud out of our crevices for years. You might want to move. Splat. Oh. You think this is funny? Splat. Now that's funny. Missed me. Splat. Nutball, watch out below. That was fun. Where's he going? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Stop! Sniff, sniff. Don't go in there. Wait, we can't go in there. Why not? If we go in there, we may never come out. What about Bear? He's all alone. There's nothing we can do. It's not safe. If it's not safe, then he needs us even more. Nothing good ever lurks in dark places. Gulp. Where are you going? I have to help Bear. Ugh. Even with a busted noggin, he still has to do the right thing. Come on, Squirrel, just go in there. Sigh, I can't do it. Oh, I hate myself. Squirrel, help! Why won't they ever listen to me? Ugh, what's wrong? Ugh! 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 Was it really this big, guys? Squish! Oh, yuck! What did he do to the spider? Oh no, it says slurp yum yum. Thanks for saving us, big guy. Yeah, that may be the grossest thing I've ever seen. I don't think he likes you anymore. Hey, where are you going? Shouldn't we be going the other way? Wow, what is this place? It's a berry patch. Yum, yum, yum. How did you know these were in here? Sniff, sniff. Wow, that's one impressive sense of smell. For me? Thanks. Yum, 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 yum. I love these things. We can tell. Yum, yum, yum. I've got it. I'm a bear. No, you're a bird. What about the thing with the big ears and the long legs that hops? You're a bird. What about one of those guys with the big teeth and the flat tail that eats wood? You're a bird. How about the thing with fins that lives underwater? You're a bird. What? We're under attack. Huh? Whoa, I think I'm going to be very sick. Oof. Oh no, we're not going up there for honey. Those bees will eat us alive. How can you still be hungry after all those berries we ate? And it says grumble. Ugh, don't even mention berries. We'll find something else to eat that doesn't come with a side of angry bees, okay? Come on, move it along. Let's hit the old road. That's the last time I ride the bear on a berry full stomach. Ugh, get it away. Wow, you must be really hungry, Grumble. You can do this, Squirrel. You've been stung before. You're not allergic. You're not going to die. Just climb up there and knock it down. I'm definitely not one of these, why won't it leave me alone? I'll do it. I'm not scared, a little nervous, slightly terrified, but not scared. Whack, snap, whack. Now I'm a little scared. Smash. Ow, ooh, ee, ah. Slurp, 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 yum, 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 yum. I hope that hit the spot. Oh, hey, okay, you're welcome. Now where's Bird? Gah! Is it safe? Are they gone? You missed a few. Maybe I'm a... No. Uh-oh. Nope. What is that? It's a geyser. I wouldn't get too close. It might go off again. Rumble, run for cover. It's going to blow. Whoosh. Come on, Bird. Let's give it a try. Looks like fun. No way. My heart has had enough fun for one day. Okay. If he can do it, then I can do it too. Woohoo! Would you jump on the geyser? Later. He must be around here somewhere. Come out, wherever you are. Meow! Ah, woo! You'll never catch us. Oomph, you caught us. Meow! What kind of roar is that? You need to put a little more oomph into it. Like this. Roar! Ah! Meow! That's better. I just need a little rest. I hope you know what you're doing. Meow. Because I don't have a clue. Chomp. Whoa, I got it. He's a slippery booger. Ha, gotcha. Ha ha, beginner's luck. Ugh. Don't you want to cook it first? Meanwhile, sniff, sniff. Just let me rest a little longer, Squirrel. Snarl. Ah, nice doggy. Huck. Squirrel. Stay there. Don't move. Help. I need something big, something heavy, something like this. Gasp. Snarl. Snap. Splash. No. Oh, nuts. Crash. Bam. Kersploosh. Splash. Let's never do that again. Why can't we just stay down there by the river? We'll be safer higher up on the mountain. So this now says 5 hours later, and we're going to have to wait.